So it's time to drive this thing. If you guys didn't check out the other video, we have a video of Michael driving it and beating the crap out of it. I'm not going to be completely beating the crap out of it, but I'm going to be driving for myself and kind of experiencing a supercharged E92 M3. So just gonna go around, have a good time. You trust me enough, so that's great. Do a little wiggle. Yeah, so this, yeah, see the third is a little notchy, just so second's not great either, but that's just the nature of these cars. Yeah, so the gear shifter is notchy. This car, oh man, there's a lot more power even at like 2,500. If you drove my car, you would hate it.
I've driven a bunch of E92s.
It sucks.
Yeah, just
low. There's no power. There's no torque. That's the issue.
Right.
Oh my God, there's so much more power right now. Let's go back this way. There was a cop here early, so we will be very careful about what's going on. Okay, so that I didn't realize we were going that fast. I was gonna say it doesn't feel a lot different, but we were going much faster than I anticipated. Shoot. So this has a short shift kit on it, which I like. I do like it. It's weird because it's a little less notchy than mine, but then it's kind of notchy in its own way, just because it's still a BMW mechanism, I assume. I'm not really sure.
I think it's a Dynan.
Oh, okay. So it gives you familiarity of what was going on. Oh, the biggest thing I noticed is power down low, which is the biggest issue with the E92 M3.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get over. Do a little acceleration, drop it down to third. Oh, I can hear it. That's so cool. Shit.
It builds speed so much quicker than you're expecting.
See, that's the thing. It's like when you shift gears, you understand how fast you're going much easier. That's part of the reason why I love it. But then when you do the same thing, but then the power is like significantly more, because I have just over 400 horsepower. I mean, 414 plus my tune and then my exhaust. So it's maybe like 425, 430. And then you bump this thing up with a supercharger, just 625 horsepower. That's... Oh, I love it. It's so much easier to drive. It's easier to drive, actually.
I agree.
Especially doing like downshifts. Fast through an intersection. Alright, so we're in MDM, which this car needs. This car without MDM sucks. Like if you drove my car in regular mode, you would like drive it off a cliff. It's very, very plain. This thing gains speed like no other. It's amazing. That is nuts. Alright, after this turn, we're gonna give it a little beans and then we're gonna be good. This thing's planted, holy shit. How is it being Pesker?
It's crazy.
It's scary.
Because I never, you know what I mean?
Yes. Not only has a shit ton of power, but it has good tires. That's what you guys did. I mean, you guys did a number. God. All right, so this is is a demonstration of how quick, so I'll go down to second. How quick this thing builds power. Second gear, 40, almost 40. Ready? Hold the camera steady if you can.
Yeah.
Traction control. Traction control cut the power a little bit, but it also kept me on the road because that's the most important thing. Holy crap, man. You have to watch this thing. I kind of want you to drive my car and feel how slow it is. This is easier to drive, besides the acceleration. Whoa, power! Holy shit balls. That was a really fast 35 miles an hour. Really fast. This thing, $7,000, it goes from 7 to 8, like, whoop! It's like,
no question about it.
Oh my God.
Makes you shit.
All right, I have to end this video because I don't even know what else I'm gonna say. What are my impressions? Shifting, you have to watch the RPM. It gains power. It gains power very quickly that you don't realize it. That's why I like bounce off the rev limiters. Like some cars, it goes fast as balls, but like you can tell when you have to shift. Where this one, it's so fast that you are, you're not ready for it essentially. So this is a really great setup. I mean, you've got brakes, you've got tires, you've got exhaust. I mean, it's got all kinds. I mean, obviously the supercharger, but it's not like someone just pops a supercharger on this thing and goes, hey, have fun, and you're probably gonna die. So this is actually the proper setup with only 22,000 miles on it. So that's amazing. Shoot, dreams do come true sometimes. But yeah, so let's end this video, dude. Thank you so much. Props for letting me drive this car. I appreciate it. Maybe we can go roll around or something.
Absolutely.
And maybe we can do a video on how much faster this car is than my car. Like I already know, like it's significantly faster.
Yeah.
But that would be just interesting to see. Relatively stock with a mild tune compared to like, the ESS 625 over 600 horsepower. So how does that stack up? So that'd be interesting. Stick around, the guys. There's gonna be some fun stuff coming your way. So thank you for watching. Subscribe below, comment below if we missed anything, because there's a lot going on in this video. Definitely comment below and we'll try to answer it. And that's it. So we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Beep.